Good morning, class 4. Open lesson number 9, our clothes, page number 66. In this chapter, we will discuss about the clothes. First of all, what is the meaning of clothes? Clothes mean an item that is used to cover our body. So, what is clothes? It's basically an item that we wear to cover our body. So, these clothes have some special qualities that it protects us from cold, heat, dust, rain, and also from the insects. Okay? But the clothes we wear should have some special qualities or characteristics, that it should be comfortable, suited with the weather conditions, and suited with the work we do. Look at this army officer. He is wearing clothes suited to his type of work he do. As you can see, these are the summer clothes and these are the winter clothes that is suited according to the weather conditions. Next is material used for making clothes. So boys, whenever we see the cloth with the help of magnifying glass, we see small threads and fibers that are twisted together in a form of cloth. For making fiber, first of all, the cotton is plucked, then cotton is converted into fiber. Fiber are basically the long threads, and these fibers simultaneously used to make the clothes. Boys, the basis of sources of fibers are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers that are obtained from plants and animals. From plants we get cotton, and this cotton is converted into fiber. From animals we get wool, from the sheep, from the hair of rabbit and yak, and from cocoon and silkworm we get silk fiber. Then some technological innovation and chemical treatments are done to make the clothes. Synthetic fibers are those that are man-made products or artificial fibers. Here you can see that, like rayon, neon, polyester, acrylic, these are the synthetic fibers. Boys, now you got it. What are the natural fibers and what are the synthetic fibers? Basically, natural fibers are those fibers that are obtained from the plant or animal materials, and synthetic fibers are those fibers that are obtained from the man-made products like polyester, nylon, etc. Both these fibers, synthetic fiber and natural fibers, has their own qualities. Like synthetic fibers are more stronger and dry very easily, and they don't get wrinkled easily. They cannot be used to absorb the sweat. So the clothes that are made up of from natural fibers, they are more comfortable, especially in hot weathers. Next is clothes and the weather. So the clothes we wear should be dependent totally on the weather conditions. So in hot weather or summer clothes are recommended that are light cotton clothes that are best for summer conditions. These summer clothes allows body heat to escape and also absorb the sweat. Air can easily circulate through them, and white and light colored clothes are absorb less heat than the dark colored clothes. So it is recommended to wear light colored clothes in summers. While in case of cold weather, winter clothes are recommended. These winter clothes are made up of wool, and clothes made of leather and fur are also worn. They keep us warm, especially in very cold places. So boys, till now we have discussed about the clothes we wear, quality of the clothes, materials that we used in making the clothes, different kinds of the clothes, that is synthetic fibers and natural fibers, and the clothes we wear according to the weather conditions.